I can't believe how fast this week has flown by. All week long, we've been talking about the Airstream of Southern New England's huge open house event this Saturday, May 10th. But can you believe it? This Saturday is tomorrow already. We're going to be at 2 Mashpog Road in Union, Connecticut all day from 9 to 5. You'll find me, Uncle Bernie, and I'll be there to answer all your questions, and you'll also get seminars from Blue Ox Hitches, Battleborn Batteries, and there'll be exciting raffles and special discounts on accessories, incredible deals on Lippert gazebos and chairs, and exclusive event-only giveaways. Of course, there's going to be tasty snacks and food trucks available as you browse the RVs with Airstream experts and factory reps. And don't forget, you'll get blowout pricing on all new 2024 Airstream models. So hop on down to Airstream in Southern New England, which is conveniently located just off of I-84 in Union, Connecticut. All day tomorrow, May 10th, set your alarm. This is brought to you by the RVer's trusted resource.